Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Understand Al-Quran the easy way, course number 5, Grammar with page 16, pointer C, or Grammar with 16C. In this lesson, we will learn kana and its sisters like asbaha, amsa. In the previous lesson, we have learned inna and its sisters like anna, ka'anna, lakinna. So let us revise that lesson. We know, for example, that inna converts the first ism to nasb state. So we have Allahu Ghafurun. The first ism was Allahu. Inna converts that to nasb state. So Allahu Ghafurun will become Inna Allaha Ghafurun. Okay, let's take the examples. Add these words before al-baytu kabirun, right? Or add inna, anna, and so on. So can you answer me? Because you already have learned. So I say al-baytu kabirun. So you will add inna. Bismillah. Inna. Inna al-bayta kabirun. Anna. Anna al-bayta كبير كأن البيت كبير لكن البيت كبير. So what is happening? The first ism al-baytu is become al-bayta, al-bayta, al-bayta in all of these. That's all. And by the way, inna means indeed. Anna, that. Ka'anna, as if. And lakinna, but. Alim. That was the revision of the previous lesson. Alhamdulillah. Let us take now today's lesson, in which we will take another class of words like kana and its sisters, like asbaha, amsa. Again, let's start with nominal sentence or jumla ismiya. Allahu Ghafurun. Allah is forgiving. Both are in the state of rafa. Allahu Ghafurun. Okay. Now, when you add kana, kana changes the state of khabar to nasb. For example, kana Allahu Ghafuran. Okay. Instead of Ghafurun, Ghafuran. That khabar becomes, or changes to nasb state. Ghafuran. Instead of Ghafurun, Ghafuran. Let us practice the rafa and nasb states. Okay, rafa means u at the end or un at the end, and nasb means a or an. Can you tell me rafa will be u or un, and nasb will be a or an? Alim. The best example of the rule of kana from the Quran is kana Allahu Ghafuran. And there is another sifa rahiman, but just remember the first part. Kana Allahu Ghafuran Rahima. So kana Allahu Ghafuran. Alright. So let us practice with TPI. Allahu Ghafurun will become Kana Allahu Ghafuran. Okay, can you answer me? Allahu Ghafurun. Kana Allahu Ghafuran. Once again, Allahu Ghafurun. Kana Allahu Ghafuran. Alim. Let's take some more examples. These examples have tanween on both ism and khabar. The first ism and khabar. Like Hudun Nabiyyun. So what will it become? Kana Hudun Nabiyyan. Okay, the khabar will become Nabiyyan, or it will be in nasb state. Instead of Nabiyyun, it will become Nabiyyan. And so on. So can you answer me again? Hudun Nabiyyun. Kana Hudun Nabiyyan. Okay. Zaydun Saghirun. Kana Zaydun Saghiran. Okay. Sa'dun Kabirun. Kana Sa'dun Kabiran. Once again. Hudun Nabiyyun. Kana Hudun Nabiyyan. Zaydun Saghirun. كان زيد صغيرا. سعد كبير. كان سعد كبيرا. ما شاء الله. علم. Alhamdulillah. Let's take another type of sentences where you have al on the first noun, like al-Muslimu sadiqun. So it will be kana al-Muslimu sadiqan and so on. Just like al-Baytu kabirun, kana al-Baytu kabirun. So answer me. Al-Muslimu sadiqun. Kana al-Muslimu sadiqan. Alright. Al-Mu'minu salihun. Kana al-Mu'minu salihan. Al-Munafiqu fasiqun. Kana al-Munafiqu fasiqan. Once again. Al-Muslimu sadiqun. Kana al-Muslimu sadiqan. Al-Mu'minu salihun. Kana al-Mu'minu salihan. Al-Munafiqu fasiqun. Kana al-Munafiqu fasiqan. Alim. Let's take third case. And here we will take feminine nouns like al-Muslimatu sadiqatun. Because al-Muslimatu is feminine, so instead of sadiqun, it will be sadiqatun. Now, instead of kana, we will have kanat. Huwa kana, hiya kanat. Remember that? So here it will be kanatil muslimatu sadiqatan. So khabar of kana will be sadiqatan. Here it will be kanat because the noun is feminine. Al-Muslimatu is feminine. So instead of kana, we will have kanat. Huwa kana, hiya kanat. So following the same, we will add kanats to these three sentences or the following three sentences. So answer me. Which kanats? Al-Muslimatu sadiqatun. Kanatil Muslimatu sadiqatan. So when you add kanat and when you join it with al-Muslimatu, it will be kanatil Muslimatu. Alright. Next one. Al-Mu'minatu salihatun. كانت المؤمنة صالحة. المنافقة فاسقة. كانت المنافقة فاسقة. Once again. المسلمة صادقة. كانت المسلمة صادقة. المؤمنة صالحة. كانت المؤمنة صالحة. المنافقة فاسقة. كانت المنافقة فاسقة. علم. Now let's take plural words. But before we go there, let us practice the rafa and nasb of plural words. Al-Muslimu is singular, right? In rafa state, we'll point the finger upwards. The plural will be, will be shown by 4 fingers. The plural will be shown by 4 fingers pointing upwards, like al-Muslimuna. And nasb is al-Muslima. The plural will be with 4 fingers, al-Muslimina. So give me the plurals with, TPI signs. Al-Muslimu, al-Muslimuna, al-Muslima, al-Muslimina. Once again, al-Muslimu, al-Muslimuna, al-Muslima, al-Muslimina. Alim. So let us take sentences with plural words, plural nouns. Al-Muslimuna, because this is plural, with 4 fingers will show it, upwards. Al-Muslimuna. Sadiquna. Sadiqun, the plural will be Sadiquna. Muslims are truthful. Okay, the Muslims are truthful. When you add kana, it will be kana al-Muslimuna, but the khabar will become Sadiqina. Sadiquna, Sadiqina. Muslimuna, Muslimina. Right? So let us practice this for 3 sentences. Answer me. Al-Muslimuna Sadiquna. Kana al-Muslimuna Sadiqina. Al-Mu'minuna صالحون كان المؤمنون صالحين المنافقون فاسقون كان المنافقون فاسقين. So the second will have the nasb states. Once again, المسلمون صادقون كان المسلمون صادقين المؤمنون صالحون كان المؤمنون صالحين المنافقون فاسقون كان المنافقون فاسقين. علم. Alhamdulillah. The sisters of Kana are like Asbaha, Amsa. There are a couple more, but let's take this one. Asbaha means he woke up or he has become. Amsa means he reached evening. Also it means has become. Asbaha has become. Amsa has become. So let us add Kana, Asbaha, Amsa to the simple sentence Jumla Ismiya Al-Baytu Kabirun. Right? So let us add Kana. What will it be? Kana al-Baytu Kabiran. So similarly, let us add Asbaha. Asbaha al-Baytu Kabiran. Add Amsa. Amsa al-Baytu Kabiran. Once again, add Kana. Kana al-Baytu Kabiran. Asbaha. Asbaha al-Baytu Kabiran. The house became big by the morning. So maybe they were constructing the house, during the night. Amsa. Amsa al-Baytu Kabiran. The house became big by the time of evening. That means maybe they were constructing it during the day. Alim. Alhamdulillah. So we have learned 4 types of sentences. Ismiya, Fi'liya, with inna and with kana. So Ismiya, the best examples are Allahu Ghafurun. Fi'liya, Khalaq Allahu al-Arda. With inna Allaha Ghafurun. With kana Allahu Ghafuran. Okay. Inna Allaha Ghafurun. Kana Allahu Ghafuran. So you can remember inna goes like that and kana goes like that. Can you answer me? Can you give me the examples? Ismi with actions, TPI. Ismiya, Allahu Ghafurun. Fi'liya, Khalaq Allahu al-Arda. With inna Allaha Ghafurun. With kana Allahu Ghafuran. Once again, Ismiya, Allahu Ghafurun. Fi'liya, خلق الله الأرض. with inna الله غفور. with كان الله غفورا. علم. Remember, you don't show the sign for khalaqa, inna, kana. There are no signs for that. We are just showing the signs for Allahu, Allaha, or Allahu. Like khalaqa Allahu al-arda. Inna Allaha ghafurun. Kana Allahu ghafuran. So the signs are not there for khalaqa, inna, kana. They are for the nouns, whether they're in the rafa' state or nasb state. Alhamdulillah. Don't forget the 7 types of homework. 2 on tilawa, 2 on study and listen to the concise recording, talk about the course and recite different surahs in the salah. And pray for yourself, Rabbi zidni ilma, and also for the classmates that, oh Allah, help us to learn the Quran in a Quran class regularly. Learn from videos. If you can join with 2-3 people, that will be the best. And whenever I say alim, pause the video and practice among yourselves. Otherwise, get 1-to-1 class from our website, understandquran.com. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Wa jazakumullah khair. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids, and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum